In this video, I'll show you how to pay contractors with Wise Business. First, log into your Wise Business account and click Payments from the menu. Next, click Send Money or New Payment to start a new payment. Enter the amount you want to send and select the currency you want to pay in. Wise will automatically display the exchange rate, fees, and the amount your contractor will receive. After that, choose business or individual depending on the type of contractor you're paying. Now enter your contractor's details, including their name and bank account information. If you've paid this contractor before, simply select them from your saved recipients list. Once the recipient information has been added, review the payment details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Next, choose how you want to fund the payment, such as using your Wise balance or another available payment method. Then confirm the payment and submit the transfer. Wise will begin processing the payment and provide updates on its status. You can track the payment directly from the Payments section until the funds reach your contractor's account. Finally, review your payment history anytime to view completed, pending, and past contractor payments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pay contractors with Wise Business. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.